Want to start making money with AI, but don't know where to begin? Here are 5 free AI tools you can start using today, no experience needed. Tool number 1: ChatGPT. This is your all-purpose AI assistant. You can use it to write blogs, create ad copy, answer questions, or even generate product descriptions for online stores. Tool number 2: Canva AI. Need graphics, social media posts, or even logos? Canva's AI tools help you design professional content in minutes, perfect if you don't want to hire a designer. Tool number 3: Pictory. This one is a game changer. It turns your text into professional videos, great for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, without needing editing skills. Stick around, because I'll show you 2 more powerful AI tools and how you can use all 5 together to start making real income. Tool number 4: Copy.ai. This is a free tool for creating emails, ad scripts, and marketing content that converts. Perfect for businesses and freelancers. Tool number 5: CapCut with AI features. CapCut helps you edit videos automatically. It has AI captions, background removers, and even templates to make videos go viral. Here's a quick money-making system. Use ChatGPT to write content, Canva AI to design graphics, Pictory to turn it into a video, CapCut to polish it up, and Copy.ai for marketing. That's a full business workflow, completely free to start. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, and check my TikTok and Instagram for shorter tips.